Hello and welcome to another episode of Minnesota Winner. Before I get started, I just wanted to say I went to the same store I'd been going to the last 2 days to get scratch-offs yesterday. They were still sold out of stocking stuffer. However, I went to a different store and they had stocking stuffer. It was a vending machine, so they had stocking stuffer. So I will be playing stocking stuffer sometime soon, so just to let Magic Bus 63 know that I will be playing that game. Alright, so today I am playing a $2 game called Blizzard Bucks, where one can win up to $15,000. Parts of the Twin Cities and a significant portion of Minnesota is in a blizzard warning today. I think it goes into tomorrow, maybe, I'm not sure. So I got this game last night before the blizzard started. So I got 6 of these tickets, ticket number 76 through ticket number 81. I'll play ticket number 76 first. Let me go into the directions. It says, reveal a penguin symbol, win prize shown for that symbol. Reveal an ice skate symbol, win $5 instantly. Reveal a snowflake symbol, win 10 times the prize shown for that symbol. And then up here there's a bonus. It says, reveal a mitten in any bonus spot, win that prize amount. Okay. I like to do the bonuses second. So the first one is a... what does this say? I think it's like a nutcracker. Let's keep going. Candy cane. Turkey. Sweater. Bow, ornament, bell, star, cocoa, and candy. So I don't think I won there. I can't tell what this says, but it looks like a nutcracker. It looks like it says like Sledder. Can't tell. Anyway, let's look for the mitten up here for the $10. And it's a dessert. And over here, there's pie. So not one on that one. Okay. Looking for a penguin, ice skate, or snowflake. First one is an ornament. There is candy, poinsettia, turkey, pine cone. This is that nutcracker again. This says sled, candle, snowman, and stocking. Okay, let's look for that mitten. A heart. The $20. It's a deer. So not one on that one either. So next ticket. Alright, looking for a penguin, ice skate, or snowflake. First one is an igloo. There's a poinsettia. There's a bow. Oh, got the penguin win. Let's see what it won. $2, I'll take it. Let's keep going. Star. Turkey. Ornament. Sled, candy cane, and candle. Looking for that bonus. It's a dessert. This one is a deer. So won $2 there. Alright, looking for that Penguins Ice Skate or Snowflake. Coco, Bo, Lollipops, Poinsettia, Bell, Sweater, Boots, Pinecone, Turkey, and Igloo. Let's look for that mitten up here. First one is a dessert, and the second one is a deer. So not one on that one. Got two more left. This is ticket number 80. Alright. Soup, candy cane, stocking, bow, ornament, candy, poinsettia, star, lollipops, and candle. Let's look for that mitten. First one is a horse. Second one is a heart. So not one on that one. So the final ticket, ticket number 81. Alright. First one is earmuffs. Next there's ornament. There is bow. Lollipops. Candy cane. Snow globe. Snowman. Turkey. Sweater. And cap. Here it's a heart and a dessert. So let me show the winning ticket. So I won a total of $2. Please remember to like and comment, and the number one way to support the channel is by subscribing. Thanks again for watching another episode of Minnesota Winter.